Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can delete playlist on Spotify. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that you have to just simply open up a Spotify application on your mobile phone. So I'm just opening up Spotify application. So after opening up, this kind of interface will appear. Here is the home page of the Spotify application. Here what you have to do is simply click on this your library by just tapping on below panel in the your library. So after tapping on your library, you guys can see here are the lots of libraries. You guys can see the below all are like by default libraries created by Spotify, but here is the one which I've created. So I have to just simply click on the first one, because you guys can just simply delete the libraries which you have created by your own. You guys cannot delete the by default libraries, so you have to just simply make sure that so you have to delete your own library. I'm just selecting the first one, which is my own library, so I have to just simply click on that. So after clicking on that, my own library will open. Now what you have to do is simply click on these three dots which is below to your name, and after clicking on these three dots, you guys can see there are lots of options. You have to just simply select the delete playlist. If your delete playlist button is not appeared here, you guys can just simply swipe up and you will be able to see the option which is delete playlist. You have to just simply hit the delete playlist button and simply click on delete. So after clicking on that, your playlist will be deleted in this way. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.